Monners, and today I'll be reviewing this Honda OHC one-wheeled lawnmower. It's 135cc, quite powerful. It's self-propelled, and it can do a 51cm cut, as seen there. I've just been using it on these lawns. As you can see, I got it on high setting because the John Deere lawnmower we use is broken down, so I'm just going to do it bit by bit. I've done up there too. That's where we'll be having some chickens very shortly, after we fix the fence, which is a hole in. But yeah, it's a very strong design. I haven't had any problems with it yet, and we've had it for a few years. This is how you adjust your height. Self-explanatory. I'll have to drop my phone now just to adjust that again. Here's your the rev speed, like the choke and rabbit for fast and turtle for slow. I keep it on rabbit. There you go. You can either push it like this, or if you clump both levers, it'll self-propel. I'm not putting any effort into this, it's basically pulling me. I go around once more time. There is okay, so I drop this lever to stop it pulling, and if I let go of this one, it cuts it out. So if I pull this open, obviously, there's the grass. I got the dumper here just to pour it all in. This is going to be interesting. Grass, sort of. It holds quite a lot of grass because it gets all compressed in that. My phone's covered now. This is empty, and that's it without the box on. There you go. If I pull it back on, it's as simple as lifting this one up and try to do it with one hand. You slot it in on the springs and it shuts. Quite a nice design. I like it because it's just easy to do the lawns with. There's some safety warnings. More there, self-explanatory. This is a fuel cap, obviously. It's a bit tight. Just checking how much fuel. I got quite a bit left. Not entirely sure how much this holds, but I'll add some info in the description. I'll look on my computer later. Here's the filters. Filter box. Looks alright. And there's the carburetor. Put this guy back on. Very tempting. Oh god. I don't think that's ever been opened. Oh, I was putting it on wrong, like an idiot. There we go. I think this is oil. No, that's a reserve. Yeah, something. This one's oil. I don't think I've ever filled this up, I'll be honest. Oh, such an idiot. Looks clean enough. Just wipe that on my leg a bit. Okay. Not much else to say about a lawnmower really, except it does fold up if I pull these, which makes it easier to transport with. It either goes down, or what I intended was to flip around. Makes it very easy for transport. I just chuck it in the back of my pickup normally. Just put this back on. Yeah, like all lawnmowers, to turn it on, you literally. And yeah, I guess this is a quick review. There's some information. Yeah, what if you import it? Yep, all European. 2007 this is. I think we bought it in 2010. Oh well, still works perfectly well. Yeah, this will do for a review. You can call it that. Yep. Just get the thumbnail. Okay, yep, I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.